Limelight, get the time right. I've been thinking everything was not right. Time flies when it's your life, but just believe me that the days are staying bite-sized. Yeah, I'm on my way to 30 and nobody really seems to get me. They say, why aren't you famous? I said that I'm not dead yet. They said that's not a winner, but I don't think they get this, yeah. So push me to my limit, I'll make it all work. I'm tired of being asked if I'll ever play a show. I've been working so hard to stay cold, so I can just pretend that this isn't the goal. You don't get a say in what I do, and the burnout doesn't concern you. I'll build a great vibe